Hello, I'm Chef Roddy with Carlisle Dynex. In our kitchens, we're always talking about hot food hot and cold food cold. Right now, I'd like to talk to you about cold food cold and means that we've brought to you in order to ensure cold food cold without having to use the typical ice bath that we utilize in our operations. Ice baths can be messy, they can be dirty, they create condensation. Sometimes the product spills over inside due to it floating, and then we're losing product. So it doesn't really help food cost. Our Coldmaster technology really has been taken beyond what our competitors are doing. So our Coldmaster technology utilizes a food-safe gel put inside of a bag that is then wrapped in insulation before it's nested between two pieces of plastic that actually form the hotel pan. What that does is, one, if we crack the outside, we ensure that the gel is not going to escape. So we're keeping everything nice and functional still. From the insulation on the outside, it's going to eliminate the condensation or drastically cut down on the condensation forming on the outside of the pan. And as far as the insulation on the inside of the pan, it's going to allow us to put delicate items inside of the pan, whether it be heads of lettuce or leaves of lettuce, microgreens. It's going to allow us to maintain the integrity without freezing them, so keeping the temperature cooled. All of our pans are going to ensure that your product is kept at 41 degrees or below for about 6 to 8 hours, with the variable of how hot is your kitchen, what space are you operating in. So we grow then on our Coldmaster line, and we introduce Cool Check. Cool Check adds another level of check to your cold temperature maintenance. So we start with a pan that's not charged, put it into the freezer, and that allows us to cool the pan and identify that it has been kept cooled. Incidentally, when we put it into the freezer, unlike our competitors, it can go in any way, direction, or shape without jeopardizing the integrity of how it freezes. Our competitors state they must be frozen upside down. So we again understand that freezer space is a premium and have worked to address that concern. Cool Check and Coldmaster, the applications are front of the house and back of the house both. Think about breading stations. It's not just the eggs we need to keep cold, we need to keep all the ingredients cold because there's a degree of cross-contamination going on. As far as front of the house goes, we can keep our lemon wedges for iced tea cold. You can use condiments for a dessert setup. It just sort of goes on and on. And then in healthcare, this is a great way to be able to look down through the hall and see that your milks for breakfast are being kept cold or beverages are being kept cold, whatever the case may be. So I'd like to transition from our Coldmaster Cool Check line into our Store Plus line. Store Plus has introduced the EZ Access Lid, and we've done that not only for our regular size hotel pans, but also for our Coldmaster and Cool Check line. So what we've done is, again, technology. I love our engineers. They're always bringing things to the next level. First, the EZ Access Lid stays on the pan, which competitors, they typically fall off. Two is we have a 50 to 60 degree larger opening. We actually are able to recognize virtually the whole opening of the vessel on top. So we're able to get in, put utensils inside of there, and you'll see they snap on. One thing I like to point out is they do have a little eye that allows us to actually hang the lid for proper drying. They do come apart, so full NSF certified, and they pop right back together for ease of cleaning and ease of use. Pop them right together. So the sizes that we offer in our EZ Access Lids, we offer them in high heat version as well. So we have half pan, third pan, sixth pan, and wait for it, we're the first ones to offer a ninth pan EZ Access Lid with full opening. Very great engineering opportunities there for you to take advantage of. For our Coldmaster and Cool Check line, we offer the EZ Access Lid in the sixth pan, the half pan, as well as in the third pan, as well as in the half pan sizes. So please, whenever you're looking to maintain proper cold temperatures and product integrity and prolong the life of your product and actually cut food costs, always think about the wonderful Coldmaster Cool Check offerings we have, as well as our EZ Access Lids.